Okay, all right. Okay, guys, today is the 3rd of June, 2021, Thursday. Dogecoin rallies above 40 cents. Yay! How many of you have bought this Dogecoin when I talked about it yesterday? Yesterday, at about this time, I talked about Dogecoin and I said that Dogecoin will be going higher. So guys, did you buy it? How many of you is happy now? Are you happy? If you're happy, please key the word happy. If you're happy, now let's key the word happy right inside the comment box. All right, let me see how many of you are really happy. And of course, if you're happy, do give me a like button or love button right at the comment side itself. Right? Okay, are you happy? Yay! All right, I can see some of you putting all the emoticons right now. All right, today is a good day. All right, the thing is this: what is beautiful for a system is that when you actually know that things will happen. Now, of course, there's a lot of people telling you that no, this is crypto is bad and stuff like that. But we just have to follow the system. When the system says sell, we just sell. When the system say buy, we just have to buy. That's how it works. Okay, Eugene, oh, you bought at a high then. Oh, now you must do the hodl to the moon. Yeah. Okay. All right. I will leave it there. All right. I can't say you're right or wrong, but basically this is what's happening right now. Okay. This Edwin is happy. That's good. That's good. Okay, 1 minute now, guys. Okay, moment. Let's give a short moment. Okay, all right. So only one happy person, Edwin. How about the rest? Not happy. Okay, guys. The thing is this: I'll explain to you what I shared yesterday, and I really hope you guys are making good money from the market. All right. Now, before we start this MAO, once again, kindly note about the disclaimer. Please make sure that you know that whatever I share is basically you can do your own risk assessment. You need to know exactly what to do, and of course, do understand this. You have to check your current financial condition before embarking into this journey. All right, crypto is fun. Crypto is making a lot of money, but you also need to be very careful that there's upside and downside potential. Okay, all right. So if you're staying on, that means that you accept this disclaimer and you're gonna have identified me. Okay, let's continue then. Now, wow, US banking giant Standard Chartered has just released that they are going to come into the cryptocurrency space by having a cryptocurrency trading desk. Wow, that's a good news. The giant British multinational banking and financial services organization, Standard Chartered, tend to release a cryptocurrency trading platform in Britain and Europe later this year. This initiative will come as part of the bank new technology arm. Wow. So Standard Chartered has actually been founded in 1969, and now they're more than about nearly $1 trillion of assets. Okay, wow, incredible. So now they are going to do that. So this basically tells you that even Standard Chartered is coming into this cryptocurrency space. So what do you think about the potential of this cryptocurrency? Do you think that it will become a problem? Will they have the regulatory bodies, do they have the power to cut down this? I don't think so, my friends. So now more and more big boys are entering this space. And do note that what I shared yesterday about what Druckenmiller say is that, right, this Bitcoin only has 21 million, and that's until 2046. So meanwhile, until then itself, right, there's only now in circulation about 18 million. So if everybody is holding it itself, right, it's going to be very difficult for it not to go higher. Of course, there will be some intermittent sell-off, what you saw recently, but it is a good time for you to buy from the bottom. And this is very, very clear that Standard Chartered is inside this game right now, okay? So this is from Reuters, so it's not, although this website is from Crypto Potato, but it's from Reuters, okay? So we know that this is going to be big, all right? This is going to be big. This is really big. Now, RAZER, you know RAZER? Yes, Tan Ming Liang. All right, the RAZER also entering. Now, this gaming company, RAZER, is also entering the cryptocurrency space. Is it? Yes. That is the reason why you must understand that there are more and more people are coming on board. Now, so RAZER, Hong Kong listed, all right, is carefully evaluating a potential entry into the cryptocurrency space as a phenomenon gain popularity among youth and millennials. So you see, guys, if you already entered the market, you are still not at the back, because still a lot of people haven't entered this market yet. Still, there's a lot of people. It's just like Facebook. When initially Facebook came out itself, many people say it's useless, it's garbage. And then the first 2-3 years, people don't accept it. But later on, you start to look at Facebook. Wow, you just go way, way, way into this life. And now today itself, right? Even the governments are using Facebook. I remember last time, initially they thought they were just trying to say that social media. Then afterward, it gets so popular, they decided to use the word Facebook directly. So this is what is happening right now. So to me, is that this cryptocurrency space is still got lots of room to go. And I believe that Bitcoin will still continue to go much higher as long as you're willing to hold. But of course, there will be intermittent selling, as I said. So just whenever it comes down, do consider to take some profit. Okay, that is the main thing that I want to say about today's market. All right. So with that itself, with Standard Chartered, with this RAZER coming on board, wow, this is exciting. But I think nothing will beat this one, right? Dogecoin, wow, look at it, Dogecoin. Okay, now Dogecoin jumps on news of launch on Coinbase Pro. Okay, so what happened? Apparently, it's all right. We all know that this news already, but when it was there, it went from 28 cents down to went up to about 33 cents. People are telling me, Cal, I think that's enough already. I don't think it'll go higher. I say no, right? Do you remember what price did I say? What price did I say that Dogecoin will go? If you remember this now, the first 3 people who get it correct, I'll give you ADA coin. All right. So the first 3 person who remember that what price did I say that Dogecoin will go, the first 3 person will get the thing. Okay, the first answer coming up ready. Not too sure it's correct or not. All right. Sherwin has posted. How many more people gonna post? Okay. First 3 person: Sherwin, Kathy, and wait. Okay, Sherwin, Kathy, and Jake. The answer is yes, indeed. The first target that I'm giving is 48 cents. Yay! All right. So the first 3 person got it correct is Sherwin. Okay, so I give you a love shape, so that now if I give you a love shape, that means that you will get the ADA coin. Okay, Kathy and Jake. Wow, you guys are very, very good. Okay, so from now onwards, whenever I give you a love shape, I'll give you ADA coin. How much is ADA coin? Worth $10 US. See, give money when you join MAO. Wow, really crazy, right? Okay, so we are giving it because we want you to be part of this crypto space itself. So not every day we do this, but once in a while, if we find that there's a reason to do that, we'll do it for you, okay? So later on, Susan will contact you shortly, all right, the 3 of you. Congratulations, Sherwin, Kathy, and Jake. Okay, congratulations. For those who post a bit later, never mind, it's okay. Stay online. All right, maybe tomorrow I'll give you more, okay? Congratulations, right? Well done, yay. Okay, so indeed itself, yesterday around this time, 23 hours ago, you see that? 23 hours ago, right? We talked about Bitcoin, Dogecoin. I say that Dogecoin at 33 cents can buy already. And I say that, right, my first target is 48 cents. And you see now, the Dogecoin now is higher, right? Dogecoin now is 43 cents. So it's up by 10 cents from where we called yesterday. So that is up by 30%. Not bad, right? Think about this. This is something that we tell you, anything really happened. Wow, congratulations. Well done. Okay, so now the thing is this. Now it's at 43 cents right now, right? What can you do? Well, if you still think that it's still reasonable to chase for 48 cents, you can try. But for those who already bought at 33 cents or lower price, you can just put a reminder that if the price do pull back, then you just do a Sherwin level, or SWL we call it, to do a trailing stop. Now for me itself, I already placed to take some profit at 48 cents. Okay, I already placed at 48 cents to take some profit. Now, why is that so? Because as I told you guys, I'm not that comfortable for June period. So I believe that right, the financial market itself may have a little bit of movement. So therefore, I rather play safe. Now, of course, I'm not going to get out everything because I still think that this Dogecoin will go higher. But, you know, sometime in life, you put a target, a plan, you just follow through, okay? So you guys have heard me loud and clear. All right, congratulations again to all those who have profited from this. Okay, let me just check the current price right now for our Dogecoin right now. Let's take a look. Let's go live and see what's the price right now for Dogecoin. Right, I like to use Coinbase. Okay, now let's take a look at Bitcoin first. Bitcoin is at 38,700. Woohoo! Up 5%. Wow, fantastic. Then Ethereum is to 2,800 level. And XRP is up by 3%. Okay. Cardano ADA is now 179. And of course, our Dogecoin is at 42. Wow, fantastic. Okay, so let's look at this Dogecoin right now. Okay, this is Dogecoin. So you can see that the last time Dogecoin this week is the high was at about 42, 43 in fact. So that's why I believe there'll be some resistance at 43, a lot of steel bull there. But if you look at it from long-term wise, I say that there is a big wave downwards here. So that means that for Dogecoin, yeah, 48 cents should be able to go lah. That means that there will be, this is the area here. Let me just draw to you, okay? I mean, seriously, not many people in Singapore would dare to do such things, tell you, okay, what to do, things like that. So you can see there is the market slammed down like that, coming down this way. So when it does that itself, right, when we believe in our chocolate bar theory, it will also become the target bot. So 47 cents to 48 cents will be the target lah. So I like 48, so I'll put 48 lah. So if people say that I don't want to sell, you put 48, then put at 47, I think that's fine. So anything between 47 cents to 48 cents, you can take some profit, okay? You can take some profit. The question is, will Dogecoin ever go back to 72 cents? I say will, but I think not immediately, all right? So I suspect that there will be some intermittent resistance here first, then maybe a bit of pullback, then maybe later on and go up, okay? It's not so fast. I think it'll take another few more months to do that. But overall itself, right, to me, Dogecoin, any pullback will be a good time to buy because you can see over here, it consolidated quite a fair time, all right? So this is what we're seeing right now. So traders, you guys can consider my view lah. Anyway, nothing's 100%. You do your due diligence, okay? Congratulations once again. Okay, so now we talk about this, okay? All right, so yesterday we have very good wins again. Now yesterday our system, right, have 4 trading calls. 4 trading calls. Okay, how does it work? Once again, first of all, when the price pulls down, okay, you just look out for our KCX indicator. Blue turns to green. Now, once you see blue turns to green, you look up. If you see that the bar is still red color, you do not enter. You wait for a while. This is 5-minute chart, by the way. Then after that, you keep on looking at the screen and you still see that the blue turns to green is popping out in front of you. Look up again. And this time around, you notice this, the color has turned from yellow, turns to red. Red turns to yellow, sorry. Red turns to yellow. That is your signal to buy. That will be your signal to buy. So you will go in to buy here. Okay, and you watch if the KSI indicator is also green in color, bang, that is where the boys are with you guys. So you make money, it'll be easier. See that? Now, 1 tick means 300 Bitcoin price, 2 ticks means 500, and 3 ticks means 800. That means that, right, we will suggest to you take profit in this scale, 300, 500, 800. Like that itself, right, you not only need to really hold all the way, you can also take profit periodically. And I think that's a good idea. So now you can see this happening again. So you miss the first wave example. Now the second wave comes down. You notice that price come down. People ask you to sell, right? You don't do that. You just follow what you believe in. And then once you see the color turns from blue to green, right? Blue to green, look up. And again, if you happen to see red turns to yellow, that is where you go in to buy. And of course, if the KSI is green, voila, that means the whales are with you. That's why you can see it going up again. So you do this for 3 times, 4 times, and keep on doing this. You notice that yesterday we have 4 out of 4 victory. 4 out of 4 victories, we make money. And that's why our result at the moment is 78%, right? This is the second day in a row we have 4 out of 4. Incredible. This is why this system is so powerful. It's so simple. You just have to see colors, follow the strategy, enters, buy, sell, and you're done. That is how easy it is, okay, guys? So is it that simple? Right, if you think that this is a simple system, please key the word simple, S-I-M-P-L-E, all right? Do it for me right now, all right? If you can, key the word simple, S-I-M-P-L-E, all right? This is very simple, a very easy, and definitely very consistent result. Because this system is created for this purpose. So make it simple, because if it's too complicated, people don't understand. If it's not easy enough to apprehend, then you'll be like buying and selling, you're knowing why. And the most important thing is this is consistent. You can backlog all my videos, and all my videos shows you that the result has been there. No, there's no 100%. Even though we are having fortunate now that 2 days in a row, 4 out of 4, but it doesn't mean that, right, we will always win, okay? So there will be losses, okay, periodically. Right, thank you guys once again for all your assistance here yourself. All right, thank you. All right, please love my comments, okay? Please leave a love and like, on the comment site itself. All right, yeah, indeed, you have to do that, so at least, you guys can help me to have higher rating, all right, on the Facebook site. All right, thank you. But this is the Bitcoin. Now, Ethereum yesterday also very good. We have 3 wins. So it's very simple. Again, let me show you how it looks like. Okay, first of all, when you see the KCX turning from blue to green, look up. If it's red bar, you don't enter, you wait until the bar turns from red to yellow. Then you buy, correct or not? Now, for 3 ticks means what? Okay, first tick itself is 10. Second one is this 15. And the third one, we go for 30. Okay, now normally itself, right, this is the scale here itself is just to give you a guideline. So 10 means 10 Ethereum data point means that if you buy at 2800, the first TP is 2810, second TP is 2815, and third TP is 2830. Okay, so if you follow through and you keep on doing this, you will notice that majority of time for Ethereum we will win money, right? So you just have to be patient. Okay, you just have to be patient, follow the set of rules, all right, and then trade accordingly. All right, so this is how you do it. Very, very simple way of trading. Okay, just see colors and then enter and let the market decide. That is better. Now, of course, I'm going to say, Kel, between this and your any other software, is all right. What is the biggest difference? The biggest difference is that we trade up to 3 times to 4 times per day. All right, and the timing that we trade is between 9 a.m. Singapore time to 12 noon. 12 midnight. Sorry, 12 midnight. This is the time. This is the time we trade for our system. Okay, Singapore time, 9 a.m. to 12 midnight. But of course, you say, Kel, is there another way that we can, benefit? Because we cannot be always on screen, correct? I totally agree with you. That's why we have extra service for you. Yay, extra service. Okay, so you see today, right, all my students, right, about 200 over them, all right, they actually received this. ETH is a KCX buy, and it was mentioned with 2 ticks. Now, there are 3 categories: no ticks, 1 tick, 2 ticks. I said that yesterday, right? And I said that, right, if you see 2 ticks, bang, this is a good trade. Because that means that there's something that we have created on the site. We know that this is going to be a potential good trade. And indeed, itself, we broadcast this live. You can see that the price that we enter for Bitcoin is 37,434. That is somewhere around here. This is where we buy our Bitcoin. Okay, we bought it. And after we bought it itself, right, we give you target. Where can you take your profit? All right, we tell you this TP1, TP2, and TP3. And of course, the Bitcoin just really follow accordingly. And we have profited, really incredible. All right, and the thing is this, we take a very short, small risk, and the profit itself just today alone is $130. Oh my God, just one trade itself today, using a trade of 0.01, that's about 10, this 0.01 of the BTC, we have already made $130 just like that alone. Okay, so that means that if you have done it today just like this alone, tomorrow repeatedly, if you're doing this, I mean, by end of the day itself, right, you will make more money than you can. It's better. It's like you can take this money that you profit from the market and buy the physical Bitcoin and just keep it. Don't think it's a very good idea. All right, so this is what you will receive from us if you're part of us. Okay, this is what you will receive if you are part of us. All right, so you can see very clear that You'll learn this from us, how to enter the market, how to read the charts, and of course, look at the way that our TP level, right? You see that our TP level is extended on the way. We follow the chart exactly. And of course, I said, this is the type of money that you can make. So 0.01, the margin requirement for AIMS is about 750 US dollars. So $750 is just a margin, just to keep it for the trade. All right, our stop loss is no more than this $30. Yeah, this particular trade itself, our stop loss is not more than $40. Yes, this stop loss, we only allow $40 stop loss, but then our profit is $130. Amazing, right? Stop loss no more than $40, but our profit now is $130. So technically speaking, we have technically 300%. If you want to talk percentage, some schools love to talk about percentage and how they make 300%. Yeah, indeed, because we have technically reached $40 to make $130. That's 300%, right? Wow, isn't that fantastic? 300%. Wow, okay. So that is how we trade, okay? And it's the same thing for Ethereum. We gave the Ethereum call, also double tick, and of course, Ethereum also went up, all right? So because we were only trading Bitcoin this morning, so we didn't do Ethereum, but the point is this, if you're trading Ethereum, we also have made the same amount of money. So that is why I love this TWB chart with the cryptocurrency space market. All right, if you like it itself, right, stay tuned, because why? You will now know how to join us, okay, permanently in our TWB community. All right, now this is what you will have. Okay, you just pay $688. You'll be entitled to the e-learning crypto workshop, whereby there will be 7 topics on fundamental on how to do cryptocurrency trading. Then you will have 2 topics on the TWB system, how to buy, how to execute. All right, that's where I will be coaching you personally, all right, through the e-learning portal. And of course, you will be given 2 indicators, BTC, Bitcoin, ETH, Ethereum, 2 indicators for 2 months, okay? You get it, all right? And of course, what happened, you will be brought into our Telegram. This is our Telegram group chat whereby we can talk about this, we can ask questions and stuff like that. And more important, you'll be able to access this special channel whereby you will get all the buy sell signal from us live. Okay, that means that you will get this one. If there's 1 tick, 2 tick, or no tick, you get it from us. And if it's 2 ticks, you will know that we are also definitely going in. You can also join us. All right, so this is the power part itself. It's a new installation, new given thing. All right, so this one will be given to you as long as you're with us. Okay, so of course, after 2 months later, if you want to continue with us, right, the cost is 96 Singapore dollars. Every month, you just need to subscribe to 1 indicator, either Bitcoin or Ethereum. You'll be entitled to get be part of the channel. So your cost is only $96 per month. Okay, all right, Singapore dollars. Okay, and of course, you'll be also entitled to 1 month inside this TWB revision group to learn extra stuff like our morning MAOs and stuff like that. So this is really worth it. For $688, I'm pretty sure you'll be able to make back this money within 2 months' time. Okay, I'm very, very confident. So that's why if you are interested, contact Susan right now at 88685030. Okay, you need to contact her and say you want to join, and then she'll guide you along with it. Okay. Now, this e-learning portal is not physical class. It's e-learning, meaning you learn it own time, own target. Okay. So you just have to learn it, and then after that, we will proceed to help you on this. Okay. We are very helpful. We will definitely assist you to make you have the indicator and also able to make money from the market. Okay. All right. Cool. All right. This is the page right now. I'll leave it here again. The number is 88685030. You need to SMS or text Susan, and she will get back to you. Okay. All right. So this one will be still ongoing. All right. So anytime you want to join us, just contact Susan, and that is how we go with it. Okay. Cool. All right. So So now let's just look at the technical market now. Okay. If any question, you can text me on the group chat. Okay. So this is now what's happening on today's market. Now, why today we are so bullish? Because I told you before that this is the day chart, right? This day chart tells me that the Bitcoin from 60,000 have dropped all the way down recently. And of course, during this period of time, we did not buy, because we know that the colors is red in color, so we don't get into Bitcoin. So you see, the indicator will save you from buying along the way down, right? Then after that, we notice that our indicator has turned from blue to green on the day chart already. That is where we know that we are near the bottom already. We are near the bottom. You can see that. So after that itself, right, you can see over here the whales indicator. The KSI turns from red to green. We know that somewhere around this area, that means that the market is a bottoming out. That's why the last few days we are buying Bitcoin very slowly, in out very slowly. But again, we know that. Then yesterday, wow, this is called a KSI jump. Meaning, right, the KSI shows that a big jump in the buying, all right, in the market. So that's why this morning we went in to buy. And of course, we are now in good profit. So you can see that this is a very powerful system. It's not complicated because as long as you can see the colors and you can just understand what each color represent, and you are there already. It's that simple, okay? So you find it simple, that means that you will be able to make money from it, okay? Nothing is 100%, but it definitely works. So same thing like Ethereum. Now you see that Ethereum, if you follow what I just say about Ethereum, you look at it, the price came down, okay? The price came down. Then, of course, you see the thing blink here. So I know that, right? That means the market is near the bottom already. And truth be told, 2 days later, Ethereum bottom out. See? Cool, right? Then after that, I noticed that the whales have came in the first round. That's why you see Ethereum went up. Then after that, they take some profit. That's why the price came off. But today, you can see once again, the Ethereum KSI jump, such a big jump. That means that, right, the buys are buying heavily. That's why today, if you buy Ethereum, you're very, very safe. So you notice that at the bottom, there's no blue bar, meaning, right, the bullishness is there. So Ethereum has more bullishness compared to this Bitcoin. That's why today, right, we believe that Ethereum will go higher again. So how high can Ethereum go today? Well, there is a possibility for Ethereum to go to 2,900. It is possible, okay? It is possible for Ethereum to go up to 2,900 level. So watch out for this. So traders, if you're ready, right, just contact Susan, and this indicator is yours. And I will use my e-learning portal to teach you, share with you, very easy on how to do that, okay? It is that simple, okay? All right, that is the using the TWB chart system. Now we try a bit of conventional. Conventional already show that the market is turning above the moving average, but it's still contained by the big longer term moving average. So for Ethereum, if it bursts past 2820, that is where it will go up, right? So I suspect that it will go for 2,900. That is my view on this Ethereum. Then for Bitcoin, now Bitcoin is also trying to form a base around this 26,500 level. So now it's trading at 28,700. So my view is this, okay, it will try to go up to about 3940 level, but once it hit 42, 43, you'll be very careful because as I said to you, there could be some resistance around those areas. So now again, I say this, for me, is that we follow rules. If the rules say buy, we just buy. If rules say sell, we will just sell accordingly, okay? So that is how we are seeing right now. You can see the 5-minute chart. Why did we buy earlier? You see, wow, look at it. This is where we buy earlier on the Bitcoin because we saw that the boys came in and all the way the boys was there. Now, traditional indicator will ask you to sell when the price goes up. No, not for us. We will follow what the color says. The color say green, no blue bars at the bottom, meaning the market is very, very bullish. You don't need to be worried, okay? You just have to trust the system. You see that? Again, this is where the Ethereum was a buy, and of course, look at it throughout it itself, right? A lot of system now outside is calling for sell, but we already bought it earlier, and now we just let it run. Let the market decide and let it go as high as possible. Okay, all right. So that will be all for today's MAO. So that is for crypto side. Do remember this, contact Susan, all right, at 8868-5030. She will assist you. She's a very nice lady. She'll definitely assist you on how to come and join us, okay? You definitely like it. Okay, so now we're going to do the second part of MAO today is the financial market. Let's take a look now at the financial market. Now, the financial market today is quite sluggish because today we have the ADP numbers, so we're going to expect the market to be sideways. Dow Jones now is slightly below opening price, so nothing much here at the moment. The NASDAQ itself is also very flat this morning until now, okay? S&P 500 is also flat. So basically, 3 US indices are all flat. The Hong Kong market, let's take a look. Now, Hong Kong market is down today. I already told you that Hong Kong, if it cannot break above the MLP, Hong Kong may see further selling, and indeed beautiful. Look at it. The market touched the MLP and then come down. So Hong Kong today or tomorrow, there is a possibility for Hong Kong to go down to 28,741 level. It is possible, okay? So watch out for that, because China A50 is down. Now, China A50 is very near to the blue line. That is the MLP of the white candle. If the market touches the blue line and rebound, then at least that means that the buying will come back in again. But if the market goes below the MLP, the blue line, oh my God, this is going to be very bad. This is going to be very bad. Now, DAX is going to open later on. Okay, DAX is open. Okay, DAX is already open, sorry. DAX already open, and now here, gap up, and now it's going to test the MLP there. If the DAX doesn't stay above MLP and comes down, then it means that overall traders, you need to be very careful today, okay? All right, so that is China A50. And today, Nikkei, I think Nikkei is doing well. Let's take a look at Nikkei. Nikkei, okay, has went up. That's earlier. There's some profit taking, but because of the dollar is strengthening right now, the Nikkei is still firming pretty nicely, okay? Now, last one will be the crude oil. Sorry, gold market, sorry. Now, gold is coming off. Now, there's something you should know, right? Gold and Bitcoin seem to have this inverse relationship. So if Bitcoin is going up, then logically this gold might be coming down. So now what we are seeing right here is the gold is coming right down. So if gold comes down to 1892, traders must be very careful, because this morning we already say if gold break below 1892, gold can come down all the way down to 1869 level, because that is the MA 200, okay? So traders, be very careful on gold. Oops, sorry. Be very careful on gold. Okay, if it come down to 1892, that is the first support here. If the market fails to stay supported, it goes down further, there is a possibility for you to touch the MA 30, and that number at the moment now is 1869. Okay, of course, this number will keep on changing because day to day it will move. All right, no problem, Edwin. Congratulations to you. Happy for you. Okay, all right, 1892 and 1869. Okay, that is for gold. Okay, and of course, if gold is down, most likely silver is also down. Silver is also down. You see that? Silver has also came off now. So silver, $27.64 will be the support level for the MA 30. Okay, all right. So you see that all these things are able to tell you because we have the system and we know what to do. And because I'm very experienced in the market, I can do all this sharing with you. Okay, all right, guys. Hopefully you guys are making good money from the market. I wish you all the best. All right, this is Cal signing off. Remember this, contact Susan to join us. Now, if you want to upgrade to join us permanently with the financial market itself, right, you just need to pay the difference and you can get more stuff, okay? So once you come in, we will be able to join us, okay? This is the community for you, the right community, because we really tell you things and we really want to help you to succeed in your life, okay? All right, that will be all for today. Have a great day. This is Cal signing off. Bye-bye.